crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we're going to be making expandable gift card holders. Now this gift card holder can hold up to 10 gift cards, or you could put business cards inside as well. It's a perfect way to add some meaning and just like that handmade touch to a gift card that you would otherwise just go to the store and buy. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also a notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new videos when they come out. I post new crafty fun videos all year round and some giveaways and surprises, and it's just a lot of fun, so do it. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So here are all the sheets of paper that you need for the gift card holder. This is a scrapbook sheet of paper that I got from Michael's. It's really fun and kind of quirky, so I like it a lot. These two are going to be the front and back covers. I chose a solid background because this is so busy, but you can feel free to use, photos or anything like that. And then these two are going to be the expansion of the folder, so I just chose green because I think it looks cool with the pink. You'll need a pair of scissors, some glue, I'm just using Elmer's glue stick, and also a piece of ribbon to tie it all together. So now that we have everything, let's get started. Again, like I said before, this is a very simple project, so I'm going to go pretty quickly. Just take your glue stick over here, and then we're going to lay it out. So I'm going to put my pink sheets right here and right here. And then over here, I'm just going to imagine a little closure or a flap. This is going to be where the envelope's going to close. Place my pink cardstock on with my glue stick. Now we're going to fold right in between these two cardstocks, so just right down the middle. Then we're going to fold this flap down. Now let's open it up and take our pair of scissors and create a little curve. So I'm just going to start off by doing a simple diagonal cut, and then one on this side as well. And then after that, I'm going to round off the corners so that it just looks more cute. So here is the flap completed. And now I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to take these two green sheets of paper and fold them. So I'm going to make little accordion folds. So we're going to go up and down and up and down. And so when I open it up, it expands like a little fan. Do the exact same thing with this one here. And now let's put this right over there. So I'm going to take some glue, put it on one side, place it down. Do the exact same thing on this side. And then I'm going to place some glue at the top. Close up my envelope and glue that down. And so now when I open it up, it expands on the side. Put a bunch of gift cards inside, tie it up with a bow, and you are done with your expanding gift card holder. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the end of the video. If you would like more videos like that and you're not subscribed already, be sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new crafty fun videos all year round. Wouldn't want you to miss it. And also, if you decide to make this project, be sure to take a picture and use the hashtag OrigamiTree at OrigamiTree on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And I might just pick one of you and send you a little surprise. Anyway, I gotta go now, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!